Hello guys, I am Nooroism. I am a jewelry artist and I make jewelry out of resin, beads and wire. This is my introductory video in which I am showing the process of mixing bubble-free resin. And adding a top layer of resin onto the pendants. In the first layer I have added color, any color of your choice. I have used mica powder and then added the flower petals and left for 12 hours. And now I'm pouring the top layer of resin. Adding little amount of resin to avoid spilling outside and spreading well. I'm using the bamboo stick here. I'm also using the flower petals which I have preserved by myself. This is a speedy video. I will upload the full process from start to finish. And also be sharing the other jewelry videos. So stay tuned for the upcoming videos. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will get notified.